How to delete your Netflix viewing activity. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Netflix viewing activity. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So there's no way of doing this through the Netflix app. So head over to your web browser and go to netflix.com. Next, click on the menu button on the top left-hand corner. Then tap on Account. Once here, scroll all the way down until you get to Profile and Parental Controls. Then tap on the profile that you would like to delete the viewing activity from. Then scroll down and where it says Viewing Activity, tap on View. Here you can see the viewing activity for this profile. So if you want to delete one of the items from the viewing activity, just tap on the circle button on the right hand side. And as you can see, within 24 hours, this movie will no longer appear in the Netflix service as a title that you have watched and will no longer be used to make recommendations to you unless you watch it again. So just be careful when you do this because it doesn't ask you to confirm that you want to delete something from your viewing activity. It just deletes it as soon as you tap on it. And that's all it takes to delete your Netflix viewing activity. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.